Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone is unlocked, updated, and that your carrier supports Esim. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, open Settings, tap Network and Internet, then SIMs. You will choose Add Carrier and either scan the carrier QR code or manually enter the activation and SMDP plus details. Make sure Wi-Fi is on so the phone can download the profile. This first move gets the Esim profile queued and begins the download process without delay. Once the profile is downloaded, you'll see the new carrier listed. Tap it to install and activate. Next, choose whether this Esim will be your data line or a secondary line for calls. Select data roaming if you need it. Make sure to set the preferred SIM for calls and messages under SIM preferences. If you encounter connectivity issues, enter the carrier's APN settings manually. This fixes most data problems. Finally, verify the cellular icon and signal bars to confirm registration. You finish by restarting the Moto Edge 60 Stylus to ensure all services register correctly. After reboot, place a test call, send an SMS, and load a web page to confirm mobile data. If you replaced a physical SIM, remove it now and reassign defaults in SIM settings. If something goes wrong, try re-downloading the Esim profile, reset network settings, or toggle airplane mode. If the problem persists, contact your carrier with the activation details so they can push a fresh profile to your device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.